All right, sorry about that. I accidentally cut the video out. This is part 2 then. So what I'm going to have you do now is after you predicted and tested. By the way, were your tests, did they equal your predictions?
Yeah.
I don't know, because we don't have the rules.
Actually, a little bit.
How many groups were actually able to come up with the same conclusion after they tested the minerals? Oh, that's good. That's science then. You were trying out. So a lot of you did not. That's great. That's what testing is all about. I'm going to pass out to you. Just a moment, please. Sorry, we had a little discipline issue. I'm going to pass out a copy of this to everybody. It is Mohs hardness scale, and you'll be able to check to see if you were right. Okay, it lists the minerals here. You can see if you are correct. So I'm going to take a pause here. You guys get yours out and take a look at it as well, and see if you were looking at 4 minerals: calcite, quartz, talc, and feldspar, which they are in order of softest to hardest. See if you can predict before you look on the chart.
Wait, what are they?
Okay, let's see how you do with your testing. So, what was the softest mineral on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3?
Talc.
Talc. What was the second softest mineral?
Calcite.
Calcite. Now, this way, using hardness and scratch test is a way to tell the difference between calcite and quartz. What is the other way to tell the difference between calcite and quartz? Marilyn. That has nothing to do with scratching.
The streak.
Streak might help, except they both have the same color streak.
The remnants of it, like the scratch, or not the like chalk of it.
Okay, not quite. Calcite fizzes in acid. So if I gave you all a bottle of acid and you put it on the calcite, you would know which is which. Okay, what is the third softest? Feldspar, and the hardest mineral is the quartz. Very good. You did great with this. Our next activity is going to have to do a streak. So I'm going to pause you guys for a minute while I pass out the materials. You need to flip your paper over. It's on the back of your other sheet.
We just got.
Okay, we're going from hardness to streak, and what you need to have in front of you, Chuck and my kids, is this sheet right here. My students are going to be given 6 different minerals, and they are going to predict the color of the streak. Now, the color of the streak is what you get when you rub the rock on this streak plate. Now, these streak plates are made out of porcelain. They're a little bit shiny. Quiet, please, over there. They're a little bit shiny, which means they don't streak as well as you'd like them to. And I've told my class, the best place to get a streak, who remembers where I said the best place is where, Karis?
On your toilet, there's like a little top, and you flip that over, and that's it.
The top of your toilet tank. If you flip that over, it's porcelain. It's the best place to test streak. Now, you generally don't test streak on rocks. You generally test them on minerals. It helps you differentiate minerals. Sometimes the color of the mineral is the same color as the streak. Sometimes it's not. I have 6 minerals up here. I'm going to move the camera now. Hang on, guys. I have 6 minerals. I have this mineral A down here. It's galena and apatite and pyrite. You saw these in your mini museum. Chalcopyrite, copper, and hematite. What the students are going to do is they're going to predict on their sheet what color the streak will be, and then they're going to test those minerals on their streak plates. Okay, so that's what we're going to do, and I will pause. What'd you say, Hank?
This one streaks really good.
Which is your mineral?
Galena.
It's galena. Okay. Did you predict the color?
Pretty much, yeah. I said silver.
Okay, cool.
Chubby, look at black. Chubby.
But that looks black to Lizzie. Okay. All right, you guys, I'm going to stop you right there. That's all we're doing with the streak test. When I post this, I will give you the assignment on Google Classroom how I want you to do the work for me. Okay, goodbye.